fam! Welcome back to our channel, and this is Miss A, your classy beauty savvy, and in today's episode we are going to make a makeup for beginners video, and this is going to help you guys, especially those who are still starting out with applying makeup and would like to look presentable and polished every single time. I have some tips and tricks for you guys to follow, and I hope this video will be of great help for you. And if it was, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like and notification bell in order for you to get notified every single time I upload a new video. So this is the look that I have recreated for you guys, or created for you guys. It's super duper easy. I'll walk you through it. I hope you enjoy, and let's get right on to the video. First up, we have to moisturize. So moisturize using any moisturizer. This is the step that you shouldn't miss. So use a moisturizer that fits your skin, and it should be lightweight. I'm using this brand, and you can use any brand that you like. So again, apply this all over your clean face. So just get the amount that you need, like 2 pea-size amount will do, and then just apply it all over your cheeks and your forehead. So try your best to massage it as well, because the more you massage the face, the better. This can also, again, help with the blood circulation. And yes, and then drag what's ever left on your neck. Don't forget to moisturize your neck as well. Next up is to apply your foundation. Choose whatever foundation that works for you, but for a beginner and for an everyday makeup look, I suggest that you use something that's lightweight as well, and that has SPF in it. So I'm choosing this BLK Cosmetics Skin Tint Sun Shield, and I'm in the shade Chestnut. This is very lightweight. This is perfect for an everyday look, and it's not going to cake on you, which is very, very important. And from the SPF 30 that you will get from this, you will be protected from the rays of sun. Even though you are working indoors, you still have to wear sunscreen. That is a must. I'm gonna apply the product all over my face. So I like doing this with, like dotting this all over my face before I blend it in, so that I can spread the product evenly. You can do this as well. Don't forget your eyelid. Now for beginners, you may use your fingers as long as it's clean, or you may use your brushes. For this one, since this is actually an SPF or a skin tint, I mean a sunscreen or a skin tint, I'll just use my fingers. So just blend it evenly all over the face, making sure that you use circular motion as you do this. In this way, you can blend the product smoothly on your face if you do the circular motion. Okay, next step is to conceal. So I'm just going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm just going to apply this all over here, the under eye area, and you want to make a triangle application so that you can brighten up that under eye. And make a triangle like so, and then when you blend it in, you may still use your fingers or your beauty blenders, okay, or sponges. I mean, for your sponges, you should make sure it's wet. So this is my sponge, and I'm just gonna wet it with my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. So just gonna sweep it there, and now that it's wet, you can now start blending the product. Why do you have to wet the sponge? Because you don't want to make it look cakey. Every time you use a sponge, please wet it. Not soaking wet, just enough for you to kind of blend things away properly. There. And this can also thin the product down. So if you feel na medyo madami, or if you've put a lot of products, you can actually just thin it down using your sponge. And then my fingers to kind of tap, 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 making sure that there's no product left unblended. There you go. Spread the product down to your forehead and to your chin. You also need to conceal those. But for every day, this will be good enough. Now, time to set the cream or the products that you have applied. So we're going to use a setting powder. This one is from Nichido. Just apply something here sa lid and then use a brush or use a sponge. So you can just apply this and set your concealer. Why do we have to set the concealer? So that it won't crease. Every cream product that you will be using, you need to set it with a powder. This way you can avoid creasing and the products, moving as you apply other powder on your face. So I'm just gonna use this and then I'm gonna buff it afterwards. So for the sponge, this will I'm pressing it on my skin so that the product will be absorbed, and in this way I can also cancel out any oiliness that's happening and building up. There we go. Now after that, you may start blending it away with a brush. So you blend it away. Now let's work on the eyebrows. Now if you're still starting out with makeup and you don't know how to shape your eyebrows properly, you can use this hack. So you get your eyebrow pencil, then put it here, the end of your nose, and then it will become your ruler, and this is where your eyebrow should start. And then as you pan it somewhere here, like this angle in between, passing through your iris, this is where the arch will begin. And then as you move along like this, at the end of your eyes, like this corner over here, this is where your eyebrow tail should stop. So that is the eyebrow hack. Let's begin. I'll zoom you in. Guys, Cosmetics Gondol eye product. And then I'm just gonna line this, okay, like this. You start with the base and then you start drawing, shaping, and you end there. Same thing here. You start here, the upper part. You shape it first, like that. And then you start filling it in. There. Fill it in with light hands so that it won't look very patchy. And then once you come in here, you can just mimic the strokes or the hair strands by making your eyebrow pencil like you're drawing it here, like this, like so. And then you blend it or you apply it again. There we go. And then at the end of this pencil, we have the brush. So for the brush, simply have to brush it away, brush the hair, making sure that it doesn't look so patchy, and then you just blend the product. So now to put the hair in place, we will just use a brow mascara, and then just apply this on your hair. Eyebrow hair lightly. Try your best not to apply this eyebrow mascara on your skin, just on the hair. Then the palette that I have here is the Careline Play to Slay palette, and this is actually very complete. It's a face palette, so you can see here matte colors and shimmery colors. We also have blushes and highlights. So for makeup beginners, I suggest that you should get a palette that has a light color, medium color, and dark color, so you can create a very simple eye look immediately. This is a medium shade that will be for the crease, so you can use a simple brush for that. So apply this medium shade. I want this one actually, so we will apply this one on the crease. Okay. After applying the color here, you may now use a deeper shade like this and put it here on your outer crease. You can use the same brush, it's okay, as long as you just pat it. Deeper shade this time, like medium shade. There. Just to kind of create an illusion that you have deep set eyelids. And this can also really make your eyes look dramatic. Just kind of blend that. Very simple. Doesn't have to be super duper difficult. Okay, now that you got that going, just use a very simple color, a light color, to put on the inner part. So just flip your brush. I have here a shader brush that I can use for this part. There. Good. You're ready. Just apply that on the other side, and I'll be back. Take the same brush, and then we're just gonna apply this here. Same colors that we have applied there, just to create shadow. Make it look nice. There we go. And then to brighten your inner corners, we can get something shimmery like this. And we're just gonna apply this over here, just to kind of make it look shimmery. There you go. To curl your lashes and put on mascara. So for your lashes, you want to hold it like 10 seconds and then pump it like this for 10 seconds. There, release. Be very, very careful. Again, repeat. And then release. Mascara, you just want to apply it from the roots to the tip. Wiggle, wiggle, like this. There we go. Same thing over here. And then your lower lash line as well. lower lashes. You need to coat them too. There we go. Now let's move on to your blush. We will just use the same blushes over here. I'm just gonna, again, combine them and then just apply this on this part of your cheeks. Kind of blend that away. There we go. Apply, repeat to the other cheeks. For highlight, you can just use this highlighter over here and then just apply this on the cheekbones like that, just to kind of make you look a lot more, you know, glowing. This is actually just optional. You may choose to do it, you may choose not to do it. It's actually up to you. But for me, I like it. I like doing this, so we're gonna do it. Just a tiny bit. It doesn't have to be super duper glowy. There, see that glow? Looking so good. And for the lipstick, you stick with something very natural looking, like your lips but better color. So I'm gonna pick this one from SUNNIES. This is their lip dip in Bosch. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my lips. There you go, you're ready. This is the finished makeup look. Hi everybody, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is going to be my everyday, very simple, makeup friendly or beginner friendly makeup for everyone. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope to see you again on my next video. If you want to see things like this again, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be updated for any new videos that we will be posting soon. So yeah, I hope you start rocking your everyday. You don't need to have a lot of makeup products. Few products will be enough for you to shine and to, you know, make you look presentable in front of the camera or in front of the people that you deal with every single day at work or anywhere that you do, you know, you go there. So there, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this was very helpful. If it was, leave me a comment below, everyone. Share your love, share me your thoughts and opinion on this video, and I can't wait to see you again on my next one. Have a great day, fam. Mwah. Bye.